To fix a Steam Cloud Sync error, start by opening Steam on your computer and selecting Settings from the top left menu. In the Settings, scroll down to the Cloud option and ensure that Steam Cloud is enabled. If it's already enabled, proceed to the next step. Go to your game library. Find the game that's not syncing with Steam Cloud. Right-click it and select Properties. Then, go to Install Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted files that might be preventing cloud sync. After verifying the game files, if the issue persists, go back to the Steam settings and select Downloads from the left menu. Try changing your download region to a nearby location, as the current region might be experiencing issues. Additionally, clear the download cache, which can help resolve download or app startup issues. Restart Steam after clearing the cache and check if Cloud Sync is working. If the problem remains, go to the Storage section in the settings. Select the three dots next to your library and choose Repair Library to let Steam fix any library issues. Finally, reboot your computer, and Steam Cloud should be working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Steam Cloud Sync error on your Windows PC or laptop.